ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। राजविद्या योगः। न च मान्तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जया। उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु। मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते। अवजानन्ति मां मूढा मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितम्। परं भावमजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्। अवजानन्ति मां मूढा मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितम्। परं भावमजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्। अवजानन्ति dismiss, मां me, मूढ़ाः fools, मानुषीं in a human, तनुम body, आश्रितम take up, परम supreme, भावम state, अजानन्तः ignorant, मम my, भूत all manifestations, महा ईश्वरम the great Lord. मोघाशामोघकर्माणो मोघज्ञानाविचेतसः। राक्षसीमासुरीञ्चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः। मोघाशामोघकर्माणो मोघज्ञानाविचेतसः। राक्षसीमासुरीञ्चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः मोघ आशाः of vain hopes, mogha karmanah of vain actions, mogha jnanaah of vain knowledge, vichetasah confused, rakshasim demoniac or rajasic, asurim atheistic or tamasic, cha and eva verily, prakritim material nature, mohinim deceptive, Shritaha take refuge. God can assume a physical form as and when He wills. Even when He manifests on earth in a physical form, the ignorant ones remain sense bound, guided by their Rajo and Tamo gunas. Living in delusion, they can neither comprehend His divinity nor distinguish between the real and unreal or the permanent and temporary. Fools dismiss me when I take up a human body, being ignorant of my supreme state as the great Lord of all manifestations. Deceived by material nature, such people take refuge in demoniac and atheistic nature. In that confused state, their hopes, actions, and knowledge are all vain. Avajananti mam mudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Avajananti mam mudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Moghasha mogha karmano mogha jnana vichetasaha rakshasi masurin chaiva prakritim mohinim shritaah. Moghasha mogha karmano mogha jnana vichetasaha rakshasi masurin chaiva prakritim mohinim shritaah.